What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Willie Behind the Wheel. Today's episode, I got a whole bunch of NRG innovation, get NRG goodies, and so I'm gonna be.
Please stop saying that.
Hey, come on. So I got a whole bunch of NRG goodies over here, and yeah, so I got my 3-year-old in the background playing around with my tools and stuff. So I'm going to be showing you guys today all the goodies that I just got. I got an NRG steering wheel, I got a hub lock, hub adapter, and a quick release. So yeah, check this out, guys. Got an unboxing right here. So I bought a suede NRG steering wheel. Look how nice this looks. Look at that. Ooh, all suede. And it comes with like a sample patch, like a sample suede patch that says get NRG on it. This is nice. The yellow stripe. This is like leather. It's yellow leather, all suede. Yeah, so this is a nice steering wheel. I like it. This is pretty nice. It's a pretty nice steering wheel, guys. So this is a 350 millimeter steering wheel, 3 inches deep, and it's actually not that deep. If you take a look at it from there, I think it's perfect for what I want it for. You know, I didn't want a steering wheel that was way too deep or anything like that. I think this is just perfect. And it just feels so nice, you know, this suede with the yellow stripe. I think it's, you know, and then the quality, it looks really good, you know. NRG is definitely doing a good job with their product. I have their NRG racing seat, and now I just got their NRG steering wheel, and let's see what else I got here. So I have their NRG, this is the quick lock. So right here we got the NRG quick lock. That's the NRG quick lock setup from NRG Innovations. Comes with 2 keys. So it has a top, it has an unlock and a lock option on there, and you know, we just put it on lock, put the key in it. Yeah, so that has a key. This is the hub lock. Just you know, in case you ever go out anywhere and you need somewhere, you know, you want to take your steering wheel off, boom, there's your hub lock. Put that on. Keep the thieves from taking your car. Alright, so right here we have what do we have here? Alright, so right here we have the NRG quick release for the steering wheel. So this is actually carbon fiber. I got the carbon fiber one. I don't know if you guys can see that. Got the carbon fiber NRG quick release, and boom, we pop it like that. This piece pops right off. But yeah, guys, so this is the NRG quick release. Boom, you pop it on like that, and then you're good to go. This thing's pretty high quality. This thing's pretty nice. The carbon fiber on it and everything, it looks really good. No scratches or anything. I like it. And it also comes with NRG stickers and install instructions and everything like that. So that's the quick release for the steering wheel right there. And right here we have the short hub. So when you take off your steering wheel, when you take off the center bolt and the steering wheel, this is gonna be sliding on like this. So this is gonna slide on like that, and then you bolt it here. You bolt it right there. So this is the short hub. You see how short that is? It's actually not a long hub, it's a shorter hub. So I'm gonna go ahead and install everything like right now, and I'll catch you guys in a second. So it is the next day. I put the racing steering wheel in, but first let me show you what I had to run into before putting the new steering wheel, the hub, and everything else. So I ended up having to take out the old alarm system because the way that they wired it, they pretty much wrapped it around the airbag system. So let me get this thing out of the way. So yeah, so they pretty much wrapped it around the airbag system, so it was pretty much like a rat's nest underneath there. So I pretty much just started cutting, snipping, it just pretty much went ham on taking everything out. So the alarm system is out, and I actually think that the way that it was wired, I think it wasn't wired right, because I've always had voltage issues in the past, and I'm thinking it's because of this alarm system. So I just ripped it out. This thing's been in the car since forever. And then there's a stock steering wheel. And another issue that I had was I had an issue with the steering wheel dropping occasionally. But this is what the steering wheel looks like. So this thing feels nice on your hands. I know I got gloves on right now because I was doing a few things, but this thing feels really good on your hands. Nice and suede. The yellow is leather. And yeah, look how clean that looks, you know? Look at that. Carbon fiber, short hub, adapter, carbon fiber, quick release. So all you gotta do is just pull it, boom, comes right off. And see, look how clean that looks. And I also have right here the short hub adapter. So boom, you put this on here, boom, you put that on there like that, you turn it, and then you just lock it. Bam, nobody's taking this car. So pretty nice, pretty dope. All right, so what I did was I never had a horn, and the original horn button that I did have on the stock steering wheel, I always used it as like my nitrous purge button. And so what I did was, so now this is gonna be my purge button. So now it's kind of popped off right now because I need to wire it up, but this is gonna be my purge button. Those are the wires, right there, just hanging. So let me put this back in there for now. So boom, so now I just have to wire that up to the purge. So now when I purge the car, this is gonna be the purge right here, nice and clean. What I did was I drilled the hole. The alarm light, the light for the alarm was right here. So all I did was just grab a bigger drill it out, stuff this in there, wire it up. And once this is wired, which I have to go to the auto parts store and go get some wiring, a spool of wire. So, you know, once this is wired up, then it'll be good to go. The thing is that with these 92 to 95 Civics, in order for you to get the horn to work, I've seen people put like a paper clip and some kind of like jimmy rig wire, and so I can make contact with the metal in the back. I didn't do that because I don't have a horn to begin with. I've eliminated the horn a long time ago on this car, so I really don't need it. So all I was going to use this for was just for the purge, but instead I put it over there. And another issue that I had was my steering column would always come loose from time to time. So what I did was I pretty much dropped the whole steering column down to the floor, and I figured out why. So all the way down at the end, there's a pretty much like the part where it connects to kind of like the rack and pinion, the shaft all the way down at the end. It's like a 10 millimeter bolt. Well, pretty much the column was out like a 1/4 inch than what it was supposed to be. So I pretty much dropped it all completely down. I loosened that piece. I brought it back to where it's supposed to be, so that way there's no more play in it, and that way it doesn't come loose on me anymore. And so I pretty much, took care of that steering column issue, got rid of the alarm system, which is definitely, it was a rat's nest underneath there. And, and I was just taking care of stuff that I might have overlooked in the past. And also, I rewired my AEM, air fuel ratio gauge, which actually had stopped working, and I figured out why it had stopped working. And, yeah, so this is look at a nice carbon fiber. Look at a nice suede. So now, boom, clicks right in, and that's it. No movement, no play. The only thing that you hear is from the steering column down at the end. But yeah, other than that, that's what it looks like. The quality's pretty good. I think NRG did a good job with this. With their quality, their stuff is definitely getting a lot better. And yeah, so this is pretty much it. So now let me start it up for you guys. Boom. Now the air fuel ratio gauge is working again. And let's turn this on. Turns right on. There we go. Alright guys, so I got the steering wheel on from NRG Innovations. I think it looks great. This is exactly what I wanted. I have the NRG racing seat. Right now I got a seat cover on it. That way whenever I work on the car I don't get it dirty or anything like that. and the steering wheel just looks amazing. It's just gonna make it that much more enjoyable to drive. The factory steering wheel was, it's pretty old, and the rubber on it was already starting to come apart, and so it was due for a new steering wheel, and I couldn't be happier. I mean, it looks great. Look at how good that looks. Look how clean it looks. Got the short hub, quick release, nice suede, red leather stripe. I mean, couldn't be happier. Quick release setup. Got the hub lock. So yeah, guys, I mean, I'll be taking this car out occasionally to the street here and there, and just to give it some test passes and stuff like that pretty soon. And yeah, guys, so if you like what you see, if you like the new NRG steering wheel, hit that like button, subscribe. Remember, guys, take your time with this, be safe, disconnect the battery, all the preventative measures. That way the airbag doesn't explode in your face for any reason. So yeah, guys, and if it does happen, don't blame me. I didn't tell you to put it in. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about the steering wheel. I think the steering wheel looks pretty nice. Pretty simple, nice setup. And let me know what you guys think in the comments. Remember, guys, take your time. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.